Hi, welcome to pinlnkme, the smarter way to manage your links.
Welcome to pinlnkme. In this video, we'll explore how to create a short URL from a long URL using pinlnkme. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to the login page on pinlnkme and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll land on the dashboard page. Step 2. Navigate to the Short URLs page. There are two ways to access the Short URLs page. Click on the Go to Short URLs button on the dashboard. Use the URLs option in the left sidebar menu. Step 3. Create a new short URL on the Short URLs page. If no short URLs are available, you'll see a message. No shortened URLs yet. Click the Add New button to open the short URL creation form. Fill out the form. Destination. Enter or paste your long URL. Title. This field is optional. A title will be fetched automatically from the link to simplify the process, but you can modify it or leave it empty if you prefer. QR code option. You'll see a checkbox labeled "Is QR code for generating a short URL with a QR code?" We'll cover this feature in a future video, so let's skip it for now. Once done, click Submit Now to create your short URL. After submission, a pop-up will appear displaying your newly created short URL. Copy the short URL, open a new browser tab, and paste the link to check if it redirects correctly to your original long URL. Short URL domain. Note that all short URLs created on pinlnkme will use the domain pinlnkme. For example, your short URL might look like pinlnkme/bskeet, where bskeet is a unique shortcode. Step 4. Explore the short URLs page layout. After create first short URL, the short URLs page includes Add New button at the top right corner, Search and Sort options at the top left corner, a rectangular box displaying the details of each short URL, including title, destination link, short URL with copy and edit buttons, views count and creation timestamp, heat-up menu 3 dots icon with additional options, view analytics, open destination, and delete. Step 5. Short URL options. 1. Copy button. Click the copy button to copy the short URL. A toast message will confirm the link is copied. Open a new browser tab, paste the link, and check again the short URLs page to see if the views count has increased. Note: if views are not updating, ensure that tracking URL and QR code cookies are enabled in your cookie consent settings. Otherwise, it is not getting URL tracking data. 2. Edit button. Click the Edit button to reopen the creation form. Update the destination URL or title. Then click Submit Now to save changes. The QR code option remains available, but we can leave it for now. 3. Heat-up menu options. View analytics. Check detailed tracking data. We'll cover this in a future video. Open destination. Directly open the long URL without tracking. Delete. Remove a short URL. When clicked, a confirmation pop-up appears with two options: cancel to close the pop-up, delete to remove the short URL. A success message will confirm the deletion. At this time, we have created just one short URL, but you can create multiple short URLs depending on your membership plan, but free membership plan limit is max 10 short URLs. That's all. If you have any doubts or questions, feel free to leave a comment below or contact our support team. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Bye for now, and see you in the next video.
Pinlnkme is your all-in-one solution for managing and optimizing links. Get started today and take your links to the next level.